Can I get Discovery Plus through Amazon Prime? Yes, Discovery Plus is available as an add-on channel through Amazon Prime Video channels, allowing Prime members to stream Discovery Plus content directly within the Prime Video app. A separate Discovery Plus subscription is required. 1. Discovery Plus as an Amazon Prime Video channel. Amazon Prime members can subscribe to Discovery Plus as an add-on channel, which integrates Discovery Plus content into the Prime Video app. This allows for a seamless streaming experience without needing a separate app. Second, subscription requirements. To access Discovery Plus on Amazon Prime Video, users must have an active Amazon Prime membership. Subscribe to Discovery Plus as a Prime Video channel. Separate fee applies. 3. How to subscribe to Discovery Plus through Amazon Prime. Step 1. Open the Amazon website or Prime Video app. Step 2. Navigate to Prime Video channels. Step 3. Search for Discovery Plus. Step 4. Select subscribe and choose a subscription plan. Step 5. Complete the payment and start streaming Discovery Plus content. 4. Watching Discovery Plus on Amazon Prime Video. Once subscribed, Discovery Plus content can be accessed directly from the Prime Video app on smart TVs, Fire Stick, Roku, mobile devices, and web browsers. 5. Differences between Prime Video and the Discovery Plus app. While subscribing through Amazon Prime Video channels offers convenience, some features available in the standalone Discovery Plus app, such as additional content categories and account management settings, may not be accessible. 6. How to cancel Discovery Plus on Amazon Prime. Step 1. Go to Amazon account and subscriptions. Step 2. Select Manage subscriptions under Prime Video channels. Step 3. Find Discovery Plus and click Cancel subscription. Step 4. Confirm the cancellation to stop future billing. 7. Alternative ways to get Discovery Plus. If users prefer not to subscribe through Amazon Prime, Discovery Plus is available as a standalone app on Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, smart TVs, and mobile devices, through cable providers or other streaming bundles. Discovery Plus is available as a Prime Video channel, providing Prime members with a convenient way to access its content. However, it requires a separate subscription and may not include all features available in the standalone Discovery Plus app.